Imagine you're sitting on a warm summer evening under a vast, starry sky. The air is crisp and filled with the scent of pine from the nearby forest. As you relax, gazing upwards, you can't help but wonder about the mysteries of the universe. How vast it is, how each star is like a distant beacon flickering in the endless darkness. This sense of wonder is where our journey into quantum physics begins, right at the intersection of curiosity and the unknown. Quantum physics is a field that seems as mysterious as those stars above, yet it's all around us, shaping our world in ways we might never have considered. Let's break it down to its essence. At its core, quantum physics explores the tiniest particles imaginable, the building blocks of everything you see, touch, and experience. It's like peering into the secret gears and springs that make the universe tick. Picture this, an ocean. From above, it seems like one continuous expanse of water, but scoop a handful up and you'll see it's made of countless tiny droplets. Quantum physics is a bit like examining each droplet to understand the entire ocean. It helps us understand that the universe, too, is made up of countless tiny particles, each with its own unique behavior and properties. Now imagine you've shrunk down to the size of one of these particles. The world looks different, doesn't it? It's a place where the rules aren't what you'd expect. Here, objects can be in two places at once, can teleport from here to there, and seem to defy the very logic we're used to. This is the world of quantum mechanics, a place where the strange becomes the norm. One of the most intriguing ideas in quantum physics is something called superposition. It sounds fancy, but think of it like this. Have you ever played one of those games where you're hiding and have to be very still to not get caught? Imagine if you could hide in two places at once. In the quantum world, particles can do exactly that. They can exist in multiple states or places until someone observes them. It's like the universe keeps its options open until the last possible moment. And speaking of observation, here's where things get even more fascinating. You've probably heard the saying, if a tree falls in a forest and no one is around to hear it, does it make a sound? In the quantum world, this is more than just a philosophical question. You see, particles don't decide on their position or state until they're observed. It's like the universe is playing a game of peekaboo, and when you look, it decides where to be. This phenomenon is called the observer effect. Let me take you on a little detour with a personal story. When I was a kid, I used to visit my grandmother's house. She had a peculiar way of surprising me with sweets. Every time I'd open a different cupboard, I might find a cookie or a piece of chocolate. But here's the catch. Those treats never seemed to be in the same spot twice. Looking back, it reminds me of the unpredictability of quantum particles. Just like those treats, you never know what state they'll be in until you look. Another concept that makes quantum physics so mind-bending is entanglement. Imagine two particles like a pair of twins separated at birth. No matter how far apart they are, even across galaxies, a change in one instantly affects the other. It's as if they share an invisible, unbreakable bond. It's like having a best friend who finishes your sentences, no matter the distance. You remain mysteriously connected. Quantum physics isn't just a curiosity for scientists in white lab coats. It's become the foundation for incredible technology we use every day, like computers and smartphones. These devices work because of our understanding of tiny particles and how they behave. So next time you send a text or take a selfie, remember there's a bit of quantum magic at play. The more we learn about quantum physics, the more we realize that the universe is a place of infinite possibilities. It's a reminder that we too are made of these tiny, wondrous particles, connected in ways we may not fully understand but can marvel at. Just like those stars in the sky, each of us is part of something larger, something magnificent and mysterious. So as you sit under that starlit sky, remember that within you and all around you are the wonders of quantum physics, quietly shaping the world. Isn't it amazing to think that the deeper we go into understanding these tiny particles, the closer we get to understanding the fabric of reality itself? Let your imagination soar, and who knows what other secrets the universe might reveal to you.